Alright, moving forward, we have been able to see the authentication of our application. We have been able to work on the list of products, and we have also been able to work on the product details together with the functionality of placing order. And also we are currently moving to tracking order. The tracking order page actually looks a bit complex, but it's very simple. As usually, it does start with a wireframe. So this page we are using it for the tracking tracking order. And what is going to want to use to track our order, and like usual we are going to be having the heading, the button to go back, the heading which is a label to try to say track order. We are going to be having the product name, so which will be here, the product name. And of course we can have a label for the product name, and we are going to be having all the status of our order, which is order confirmed, manufacturer receive order, manufacturer received order, product shipped, and we're also going to be having out for delivery to just the wireframe and delivered. And you know that all these we have their own status. So for the first one, this will be active to show that this has been confirmed. And moving forward, it will also be moving to the next one till it get to this, till it get to this, till it get to this. Actually, we are going to be using images for this. We're going to be using images for this. So, but the choice of the image we are going to be using, it depends on the flag of the product, which means that if the flag is true, we are going to be displaying this, and if it is false, we are going to be displaying the other one. So meaning if it is true, that means the milestone of that particular milestone has been fulfilled already, so we make it to be active by using the active color, while if it is false we use the faded color. And that is what we are going to be doing on this page. So it's a very simple page, and since you now know how to come up with the navigation bar, the bottom navigation bar, we don't need to use it on this page. So you can always use the back button to go back to the previous page, which is the list of orders page. And you can, if you want to put it, you can put it, since it's just like repeating ourselves, or it's always welcome for you to try it out yourself too. So let's go ahead to design this in Thunkable. Alright, we have the screen that allows us to track order. So let's go ahead to use this as our screen header. So we reduce it. So I have this. So we come here and say the order title. I think I'll just change it to order tracking. Order tracking, I'll make it to be bold. We align it to the center. So you can also come up with the button to take the user to the previous page. So the button name will be, this is just like repeating what we have been doing since. I can even use, okay, let me just rename it. So this will be button go back to the orders page. So leave this as black. Make the text color to be black, and I will also make it to be bold, and the background color to be white. Triple F. Now that I have that, we also go ahead to set to F2, increase the width to somewhat around 1. So I can go ahead to reduce this now. I put it here to take the user back to the list of other space. So let's bring a label for the product name. You can just call this label product name. Should I say label? Product name label. I call this product name. So I can just go ahead to reduce the size and be to somewhat around 12. That will be fine. And now whatever I have on the side will then be the actual product name, which will also be a label. I think I'll just make it overlap. So this will take the product name. I'll say label product name. Product name. I'll make it to be empty at first. And now I'll then go ahead to define each stage of my delivery or my product. Okay, I think I have a label product name. Let me call it product name value to be an empty string. So for my order status, now I will call this label order confirmed label. Just call that one label. Second will be value confirmed. I will just duplicate this order confirmed. So let's reduce the size to maybe font size of 10 and make it to be bold. So we can then reduce it because we can bring it closer. Order confirmed. You can just duplicate it. And just put everything. I think I will just copy the recent one. So this will be product shipped to the same thing. This will be out for delivery. And do the same thing again. And this will be delivered. Alright, now that we have that, let's now go ahead to rename it. I think we have been able to rename it successfully. And this one will be label confirmed. Call it manufacturer receive order. Manufacturer received order. Label. Yes, just label. So this will then change to manufacturer received order. So go to the next one, change the name, bill, product, shipped, label, or call the value, product shipped, and the next one will be, I'll change the name first, label, out for delivery, shipping out for delivery, and the value there will be out for delivery. The last one but not the least, so take the name of label, delivered label, and I'll change it to delivered. So now that I've been able to do that, let us now go ahead to import our images. So all we just need to do is very simple. Once we get to this page, number one, check if the user is signing. If they are not signing, then take them to the login page, and if they are signing, then you should then display this flow based on the status of their order. So let's go